The Apollo lunar flights may have ended in 1972, but the moon has remained of great interest to NASA and scientists around the world. In the half-century since people visited the moon, NASA has continued to push the boundaries of knowledge. And NASA will continue that work by moving forward to the moon with astronauts landing on the lunar South Pole by 2024. But there's a problem. And if they don't solve that problem, they will not be able to reach the moon. So our story is, why NASA won't be able to reach moon and how do we solve that problem? The big problem is tiny particles. Impacts on the moon's surface have crushed lunar rocks into dust over billions of years. The resulting particles are like broken shards of glass. This abrasive material can damage equipment and even harm astronauts' health if inhaled. Things don't stop here. The sun radiation gives moon dust an electric charge, so it sticks to everything, making matters worse. Researchers have discovered a new method for combating lunar dust static cling, using a low-powered electron beam to make dust particles fly off surfaces. It complements existing approaches to the sticky problems. During the Apollo missions, astronauts relied on low-tech systems to clean lunar dust off their spacesuits. Guess what was that? Brushes. Such mechanical methods, however, are hindered by electrically charged nature of lunar dust, which clings to the nooks and crannies of the woven spacesuit fabric. The newly described method takes advantage of the dust's electrical properties. An electron beam causes dust to release electrons into tiny spaces between particles. Some of these negatively charged electrons are absorbed by surrounding dust specks. Because the charged particles repel each other, the resulting electric field ejects dust off the surface. Researchers have developed dust-bursting technologies, including a layer of electrodes that can be built into materials. When embedded on a spacesuit or on the surface of equipment, the electrodes generate electrostatic forces and fling away charged dust particles. Such systems are more complex than shooting electron beam at surfaces, but a limitation to the simple electric beam idea is that it would require a robot or some other external means to direct it. Another limitation of the electron beam is that it's left behind 15 to 25% of dust particles. The researchers aim to improve the cleaning power as one of multiple approaches that future space explorers will take to keep surfaces clean, while NASA is aiming to go to the moon with commercial and international partners to explore faster and explore more together. This work will bring new knowledge and opportunities and inspire the next generation. In going to the moon, NASA is laying the foundation that will eventually enable human exploration of Mars. The moon will provide a proving ground to test technologies and resources that will take humans to Mars and beyond. That's all for today. Do check out the interesting stories of why.